Welcome to this Manifold 3 and Matrice 400 tutorial. See how structured prompts drive an AI to build an end-to-end illegal parking algorithm from scratch, handling everything from detection and logic to evidence capture and drone control for automated patrols. First, introduce the software architecture to the AI. Detection and recognition. Purpose defines the concrete implementation of the vehicle detector, including core detection logic such as ULU v5 model inference, class filtering, license plate recognition, and result format conversion. Illegal parking determination. Purpose implements the T0-T1 dual frame comparison algorithm, using pixel displacement to determine whether a vehicle is parked, and includes GPS deduplication to prevent the same vehicle from being documented repeatedly. Forensics processing. Purpose implements the complete forensics workflow for illegally parked vehicles, flying to the target, configuring equipment, orbiting for evidence collection, and resetting, with the 4 phases orchestrated via the strategy pattern. Laser positioning and coordinate validation. Purpose uses tap zoom to zoom in and align, obtains the target's GPS coordinates via laser rangefinding, and applies 3 layers of validity checks to the coordinates. System integration and deployment. Purpose extracts the 17 tunable parameters into a JSON configuration file so on-site tuning requires no recompilation. Defines the thread responsibilities and synchronization mechanisms for 6 concurrent tasks, ensuring detection, forensics, video transmission, and flight control run in parallel without conflicts, and establishes a complete deployment pipeline from source code sync to DPK installation. After execution, the AI will output the modified files and list all deliverables for verification. Make sure the Manifold 3, DJI Matrice 400, and H30 series zoom camera are properly connected. In the DJI Pilot 2 app flight interface, tap Customizable Function bar and open the corresponding DPK. Select Routes. Create route, waypoint route, set waypoints. A flight speed of 2 meters per second is recommended. Flying too fast will blur targets in the detection frames. Flexibly adjust the safe takeoff altitude and camera angle to ensure an optimal view for ULU vehicle detection. Tap the map to add waypoints planning your route. After route planning is complete, tap the Save icon. Tap the Perform icon to enter the pre-flight check screen. After confirming everything is correct, tap Upload Flight Mission Start. In patrol mode, YOLO bounding boxes appear, confirming the AI is running properly. Upon detecting a violation, the drone aligns via tap zoom, acquires GPS via laser rangefinder, flies overhead to read the license plate, and executes a POI orbit to capture photos. Finally, the related photos can be found on the Manifold 3 in the following directory. Below are common issues and how to troubleshoot them. Thank you for watching.